So wait, this is, again, let's continue. This is the room we want to introduce to you, the room. It's so beautiful. It is so nice. Oh my God. That's the place and it's already ready. The offer room is ready for us to dip, and then I think you can be seen from the outside. That's your outside view. This is probably more beautiful in the morning. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Thank you to Hiromi's family, the Nishida family, for sponsoring our room for tonight. The room is so big, bigger than our apartment. And they even have a special closet, an entire place for the closet. I don't know what this room is, and it's all ours. It's a toilet. And again, the toilet is alright. Not even sure.
What? There's a two?
Yeah, there are 2 toilets.
No way.
Duha ka buok. Kita ra ang tao diri.
Look at this. It's a ladder.
Okay, let's stay there.
It is a ladder.
And that's where we're getting in the toilet.
Here, guys. Now look at this place. I like this place.
Sofa. Ang bugiro na tao na ani ha. Pila imong bayad ani din sir?
Senzen wakaranay.
Ha? Pila imong per night dire? Hindi kay ka-afford sa bangko din na sa kabuo. Bisa ganing pilo di ko kapalit. Just
Courtesy of Sacho. Nishida.
This is the
We're gonna do
entire
this.
place.
So amazing.
And the next part that we're gonna show you is the
Well, I think this is not the true ones, because look at
it's just the heaters, and
look at
it's like you remember? Oh wow, that's the view we're gonna see tomorrow. And this is the place that we are staying. XIV Sanctuary Villa in Kobe, in Hyogo.
look at us.
So that's the place in Kobe. And you can see that in the morning. Later we will tomorrow we will have a live of that too. And that's when we entered earlier, that was our view.
Yeah, it was
That's
so
what we
cool,
saw.
you know, and it was so black.
Yeah.
And it's just so nice. I can't believe that we have like this
Oh
bed.
my God, I can't believe it too, Zen.
Look at this. There's two. Look at.
There are 2
No,
back-to-back TV sets.
I can't believe
You can
it.
watch TV while
Wait,
you are.
where's the remote?
Oh my God.
Where's the
You
other?
have to make a house like this with a room like this because
Granite.
now that I've tried to live or to stay for one night in this room, I want to have a room like this in my own house. A room like this. But it's impossible. I have to work so hard to get it. But yeah, look at that. It's amazing. It's amazing.
Look at this. It's the change. Why it's changed?
Isn't it amazing?
Now look at this. The color is
Super.
changing. Look at that. It's changing. You know.
Oh, it's a beautiful room. It's nice then. Okay, say good night.
Why it's not good night? It's not good night.